Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Git is installed and configured because Android Studio relies on that installed client. Open Terminal, set user, name and user, email and verify Git version. Once done, open your project, choose VCS Enable Version Control Integration, and select Git to initialize the repository. Make sure the project root is correct, otherwise Git will place the Git folder in the wrong directory. This first step connects your project to version control, so you can commit and track. You now create a proper Git ignore to avoid committing build artifacts and secrets. For Android, exclude build / Gradle / and local properties so commits stay clean. Next, use the commit tool window to stage files, run inspections, and write concise commit messages explaining the why of changes. Once committed, create a feature branch from the Git branches menu to isolate work. This keeps master stable. Make sure to pull remote changes before heavy work to prevent merge conflicts later on. You finish by adding a remote and pushing your branch. Git remote add origin your URL, then Git push uOrigin branch name so collaborators see your work. To integrate, open a pull request or merge locally using rebase when appropriate. Rebase keeps history linear, but take care with shared branches. If conflicts occur, Android Studio's diff and merge tools help you resolve them line by line. And Git reflog lets you recover lost states. Use these tools to stay safe and recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.